Hey everyone, this is Cody from SpryLyfe Medical. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the GCE Zeno-Lite. First off, we're going to take everything out of the box to show you what comes in the GCE Zenolite package. Your user manual, the DC power supply, as well as the AC power supply, another part of that AC power supply, your custom carry case, as well as an accessory case, two standard batteries, there's the second one, and your GCE Zenolite. Now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up your GCE Zenolite for your first time use. So we have the machine. You have to push this little button over and the bottom piece will slide out. Take your battery. It goes right into these 5 little prongs. Push that battery back down in there. Slide this piece back on. And you will hear a click. The case opens from the bottom as well. So you slide the machine in from the bottom. Your cannula can go in right there. And you are all set and good to go. To use the GCE Zenolite, first you will power the machine on by clicking the power button. A couple buttons and alarms will show up. And the machine will then power on. It's at a setting of 1. If you want to go up in settings, this machine does go up by half settings. So you can go up to 2, 2.5, or 3, and it does go up to 5. Your battery icon right there will show you the battery life that you have. And this button here, if any alarm goes off, you'll be able to press this button to turn the alarm off. To shut down the machine, you will just press and hold the power button, and the machine will then shut off. The GCE Zenolite is 9.8 inches tall by 3.8 inches wide and 9.25 inches long. Alright, and with the GCE Zenolite, it does come in at 5.5 pounds, has a liter flow of 1 up to 5. Nice thing about the Zenolite though is that it can go up by half settings, so if you are on 2.5, you can put this on 2.5 specifically. It does also come with that nice little custom carry case, and the rechargeable battery is an 8-cell battery that will last on a setting of 4 hours away from that car or wall charger. The great part about the GCE Zenolite is that it is the quietest machine on the market by far. Makes it very, very easy to travel with. If you need to go to church, you can take this machine to church with you. It is FAA approved as well, so you can jump on the airplane no problem. Very good machine just to get out and about and run errands with. If you'd like to see more information about the GCE Zenolite or comparable models, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, as well as that bell icon so you can get notified of any new videos we post. Most importantly, if you're interested in purchasing the GCE Zenolite, you can go to SpryLyfe.com or give us a call at the phone number below so you can speak with a respiratory specialist right over the phone to help you out.